The Schlage Home App allows you to remotely manage your Schlage smart locks. A key feature is the ability to add users, create guest codes, and issue virtual keys, granting different levels of access to your property. This video will guide you through these processes to enhance your home's security and convenience. Adding a new user to your Schlage Home App involves several simple steps. First, open the Schlage Home App and log into your account. Next, select your lock from the dashboard. Then tap Users or Access, followed by Add User. Enter the user's email or phone number. They will receive an invitation to download the app and accept. Finally, assign appropriate permissions such as full, scheduled, or limited access. When adding users in the Schlage Home App, you can assign different roles to control their access level. The admin role provides full control, allowing the user to manage all locks, add or remove users, and change settings. The guest role is for temporary access, limiting the user to basic entry without administrative capabilities. Scheduled access lets you specify when a user can enter, such as specific hours or days. This is useful for family members or regular service providers. Limited access can restrict entry to specific doors if you have multiple Schlage locks, providing precise control over which areas the user can access. Guest codes are PIN-based entries, ideal for short-term visitors. Navigate to Access, then Codes and Add Code. Set a custom 48-digit code, along with start and end times. You can share the code via SMS or email directly from the app. Remember that codes work offline but lack audit logs compared to virtual keys. Virtual keys provide a digital alternative to physical keys in the Schlage Home App. They allow secure, temporary access without sharing physical items. To send a virtual key, open the app and select Access, then Virtual Keys, and choose Send Key. The recipient gets a notification with access for a set duration, ranging from 1 hour up to a full year. Virtual keys use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for unlocking when nearby and can be revoked remotely if needed. Like vehicle virtual keys, they integrate with devices and include biometric features for added security. Virtual keys in the Schlage Home App use AES 256 encryption, the advanced encryption standard with 256-bit keys, ensuring robust protection for your access data. They also include anti-cloning measures, which are built-in protections designed to prevent unauthorized duplication or copying of the virtual keys. Virtual keys integrate seamlessly with digital wallet apps such as Apple Wallet, allowing for convenient storage and quick access to your keys. For added security, biometric verification can be enabled using fingerprint scanning on your linked smartphone to confirm your identity before granting access. Finally, two-factor authentication is enabled by default, providing an additional layer of security to protect your user account from unauthorized access. Here are some important considerations and security tips for using the Schlage Home App effectively and safely. First, ensure your lock is connected to Wi-Fi or a Schlage hub. This maintains reliable remote access and allows for automatic updates. Be mindful of account hygiene to prevent social engineering risks. Attackers exploit human vulnerabilities like trust and fear, so use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Avoid long-term guest codes to prevent brute force attacks. Attackers try multiple combinations until they succeed, so use short, time-limited codes for better security. Finally, regularly update your Schlage Home App. This ensures you benefit from the latest security patches and features, keeping your smart lock system protected. If you encounter issues with your Schlage smart lock, start by consulting the Schlage website or App Store for detailed troubleshooting guides. These resources cover common problems like setup errors or lock malfunctions. Next, ensure both your Schlage Home App and lock firmware are up to date. Check for updates in the app settings or on the lock itself to resolve compatibility issues. If connectivity problems persist after updates, contact Schlage support directly through the app or their website for personalized assistance. Remember, a recall in mid-2025 affected some encode locks due to firmware glitches. Make sure you have the latest firmware installed to avoid connectivity issues.